That is what the Maverick does. When I'm confused and can't understand certain things, we just give them a thing named this situation with Leon Bailey and the Reggae Boys team. I don't understand the continued misunderstanding. We have a young Jamaican born and bred player playing in the German Bundesliga. Jamaica is in a rebuilding phase, exploring different options and looking at different players, mostly local-based and US-based players, even some schoolboy players. And I know we cannot hear about an official invite to Leon Bailey to play for Jamaica. As usual, the fingers of blame are being pointed squarely at Craig Butler. We're hearing now that Butler wants his son, Kyle Butler, to be invited along with Leon Bailey, or there will be no deal. Butler himself has rubbished that argument, saying no go so. But let's, for argument's sake, say Craig Butler wants to twin the invite to his son Kyle and Leon Bailey. So what? That is what agents do in football. Why we not just call both Butler and Bailey and see what them have to offer? If Kyle Butler is not good enough, tough luck. Craig Butler and the Maverick cannot pick the national team. We can only tout Mala A or tout Mala B. The final say is with Coach Whitmore. And as we say, in a context where we're calling even schoolboys to the national squad, he can well and call Kyle Butler. Why Theodore Whitmore can't take a look at a young, creative midfielder playing in Europe in Kyle Butler? We need to cut out the pettiness and the foolishness out of the football. Just let the chips fall where they may.